We are live. We are live. We are live. Bro, that's singing so loud. Bro, that's singing so loud. Ooh. Ooh. All right, let's do some live back testing. Hold on. That singing is so fucking annoying. I'm gonna crash out. Keep the rolling on our wrist though. Keep the rolling on our wrist. All right. Give it a second, boys. All right. Let's get into the live back testing. Bang. Bang. Orangutan. Let's get into it. What the fuck is going on? That should not have done that. That could have been bad. Next day. It's like an $8,000 watch on the wrist. I'm not trying to hurt it. Okay. Yes. Yummy. Yummy. No one's in this freaking shit. How do I think about this setup right here? I think it is. I think it's delicious. It's delicious. One more candle. Okay. I could have taken that. I could have taken that. Fuck. I could have taken that 5 minute. Damn it. I definitely should have taken that 5 minute close. Ugh. We're going to pump here or no? Okay. We're going to the next day. Okay. Targets up here. We filled the hourly pre-market. Let's see if we start a rip here. Yeah. So no one's in my freaking live right now, so there's no point in me to speak. Now this high is it's pretty good. Yeah, it is pretty good. Okay. Too far away right now, so I'm gonna wait. There we go. Okay, we're starting to confirm it. Now it's kind of progressively selling off, which is weird. We came down into the 5 minute again. That's 10 a.m. news right there. So if we take out data low or data high here, could be good. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this draw now is looking pretty solid. So I'm gonna look to try to long up to that. Let's see if we get any real confirmation. I do think that's fine. I don't need to enter yet. I'd rather wait. So here, there we go. So before you flame me about the range, yes, it is ranging, but just zoom in. We have a data high, decent confirmation, the retrace and flip, pretty bread and butter. Go break even. This should hit. Yeah, bang. TP smacked. No one's even in the. Nobody. But yeah, pretty bread and butter. I know conditions were whatever, not that great, but we do have data highs, so that's why I was willing to take it. Obviously, without the data highs, that trade is completely invalid. We see the watch. We see the watch. I'm liking it. That's the type of shit you see when you know it's gonna go down. But I'd rather wait for a better retrace. All right, we took out that draw. It looks like. Did we? Oh shit, we did not. We did not. We edged it. I would limit this area up here, like the 5 minute. Okay. I don't like though. I just don't like this big area. I'd rather see it get like filled. That's why I'm not entering it. Okay. Can I play a safe stop? Because we still could potentially come more, like retrace bigger, like more into this big like area. So I think my stop is pretty safe here because it's above that area. So yeah, limiting this area, targeting these lows does look pretty confirmed. Go break even. No. Hey, another TP. And no one's in here, bro. I'll just be like winning, bro, for so long, and then people join in, and I'm losing. Let's see if we continue dumping up. There we go. Volatility has kind of just died. I don't really want to mess with it. We're moving down, but just not in the type of that looks pretty terrible. Wow. Wow. Is that Asia, bro? Like, what am I looking at there? Now, to this day, looks chopped as well. I don't see any real targets, if I'm being honest. Like, the only thing we can do is maybe come up here. So now we can look for that. But so if we come down to this 5 minute, yeah, you could probably limit that. But yeah, I'm not gonna get it. Okay, we keep pumping. All right, we're pumping. We have decent volatility. Wow, not a single fucking retrace. Damn, what are we doing? Is it that hard to just retrace? We should retrace for sure at this point. I'm not taking anything yet. Price is overextended. I need to see a big retrace. So now I can look for confirmation. Too slow. Too slow. Don't like it. This is where price could fall into a range. 15 minute unfilled beneath us. So ideally we could just take that first, but if not, I'm not interested in this. This is not good. Yep, price action has now slowed down, even though we are ripping towards the DOLs. No point in messing with price like that. This is a very, very obvious target, so I will be looking to long that if we can get something. Fortunately, yeah, I kind of expected that. So we have these two now. Let's see. Yep, very bullish, very, very bullish. Big retrace, I could limit that, but we're not going to get that big retrace that I'm looking for here. You could take this with an auto break even. It's not really worth it. There we go. The dump into the 5. Now, can we take the safe stop loss? Because if I were to target this draw and play a 1-to-1 on the hourly time frame, this draw liquidity does look pretty nice. Mark it out the right way. This one already. This one. Interesting. So this has not been taken, which means that this actually has a pretty good break even as well. So I'm going to take this. We could retrace more, but there, that's really good confirmation. Not gonna lie. That's break even. So now we'll see if we just want to keep ripping or not. I'm going to trail stops and profit now. Bang, another take profit smacked. I don't know. Like, no one's even in here, bro. And I'm winning all the time. No one's even in here. Imagine. Even though it's a good draw, price action is bad. Straight up. We left this draw. Now we're retracing down into these gaps. Now this could be pretty clean if we get that. Now if we start to kind of rip higher with aggressive price, like on the 5-minute maybe. Not yet, not yet. Let's see, maybe if I scale down. I don't know. It's not moving that clean. I'm not gonna lie. These highs look good, so I will try to target if I can get these. Okay, now we can look at that. Here we go. We just swept highs and then immediately rejected, so I wouldn't limit. Not yet. Okay, we just entered that 15, so yeah, maybe you could limit this. Maybe just a small reaction. I mean, I don't like the 5-minute. I'd rather just see that get run through. I'm not gonna lie. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna fade it for now. I'm fading this one. Just not. I don't want to enter yet. Brother, I mean, price action is relatively slow. I'm gonna stay away. Bro, can someone just join my fucking live? Is it that hard? Wow. All-time highs. Yeah. All right, we are in all-time high territory. Let's see if we can get a higher time frame retrace to long back to all-time highs. That's how it works. That is just how all-time high trading works. If we can get a retrace down into this would be amazing. Actually, no, that's pretty low. This would be pretty good. So don't come on, just don't. At 10 a.m., we're gonna open up this 4 hour. So I would like to see that get filled. Come on. Come on, now we have the 4 hour. Yep. All right, let's see that get filled. Come on. Okay, we took all-time highs. That's unfortunate. Now that's probably gonna play. I'm not really willing to take it though. Because again, I just want to see this 4 hour, bro. Because I can actually catch like a banger if we do come down. I'm gonna stay away for the second. All right, yeah, still all-time highs. So this is beautiful. That's what I like it. I like it a lot. I don't like that 5. That's yeah, it's whatever. It's not like beautiful. Not really like doesn't really stand out, you know. There, wow, we can actually get entry. Missed it. Filled that 5. Now we can limit. Yeah, we should be able to limit this. Although, yeah, price action is moving relatively slow, but it is all-time highs. So, plus I want so. Yeah, well, that's what happens when you just chase dopamine. I'm gonna probably get cooked, maybe. I would go break even quick on this. Not gonna lie. Break even. Trailing profit. Bang, TP. That's like Bang, TP again. Data low play right here. Maybe not. Yeah, probably gonna be bullish because it's all time highs. Big retrace. How long? Can we get a big retrace though? I would want to see us come down like much more down. Now, do we want to actually go higher? That's hesitating. Most likely, yeah, it's just ranging now. I don't want to mess with that. Gotta go to the next day. Can we just get an entry at data lows, please? Yes. We might be in a 4 hour now. We might be in a 4 hour. Let's peep it. Come on. Yep, how did I know? We're in a 4 hour. But wait, in the end of the day, it is data lows, so you know how I do data lows. Can we please get an entry at data lows? Fuck you. That's actually fucked. That's actually fully fucked. Oh my gosh, that's so messed up. Data low swap, immediately reject. Not a good sign. Where are we going to go today? Don't even know. Maybe back to all-time highs. Maybe not. But either way, I'm going to stay out because this section is bums and I have no viewers. What the fuck is going on? Is that data lows? Okay. I doubt it, but we probably just going to be bullish, yeah. I have to take it. I can't not take this. I can't really avoid this. Sorry. We did edge the 5, but I cannot take this, bro. It's all-time highs. I probably should have avoided it. Maybe I should not have avoided it. Maybe it's a great trade. It's probably break even, but dude, I don't lose. What the hell's going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins in a row.
Hey guys, you need to clean up the slide.
What is this? I didn't even mean to click the next candle. I meant to enter here, but I guess I'll enter here now. Yo. This could be a banger. This could be a absolute 135. Maybe. Okay. If we reject the highs, it could fall back into a range. So that's why I'm going break even. I'm going to trail if you go to data highs, so I'm showing my take profit. Data highs. Data highs. Data highs haven't been taken. Now, the question is, does price want to go back to all-time highs? It's the question of the day, right? here's the plan. When we get to that high, I'm trailing my take profit up to the data highs. So I do need to make sure I know where these are. But for right now, I'll remain at break even. It's a big trade, so yeah, silver shopping after data highs, not a good sign. Fuck that, bro. I should have just taken it. I should have not been greedy. Yeah, I could have just caught a 1-1. I could have just caught an easy 1-1, but I wanted to be greedy and different, so because I know we're gonna go to fucking data highs, bro. Weird. It's fucking weird. Also, it's also weird. So I'm gonna stay out of this day. I mean, like, no one's even here. We have a person. Let's fucking. Oh, he left. Great. I'm gonna end this, bro. No one's joining. Fuck this shit. Peace. Here it is.